Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Shanara Vlogs. I'm going to make some tuna kebabs today. I've got 3 cans of tuna here, so this is just the regular tuna chunks in spring water. I've got here 2 boiled potatoes all mashed up and ready. I've got ginger and garlic paste. I've got 2 onions and I've got half of bell pepper, capsicum or whatever you like to call it. And I've got 2 eggs here, just the yolks. This is the white, and I'm going to use some mixed curry powder that has turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and some coriander powder. And I'm going to use some of this, some chili flakes, black pepper, and this is some ground nutmeg, corn flour, mashed potatoes, the ginger and garlic paste, egg yolks. So we're going to put in the onions and the green pepper. So I'm tuna de limo, chili flakes. Chili flakes I'm use huriyar green chili badla because bachento lagya. I'm using chili flakes instead of green chilies because it's easier for children. And this is just a nutmeg, just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit of nutmeg. Okay, maybe just a little bit more. So I'm jaifal dilam, jaifal gura. And use some black pepper, just a little bit. So about a teaspoon. Gulmaris dilam, 1 teaspoon. Corn flour. I'm going to put, say, about a tablespoon of corn flour. A tablespoon corn flour. Maybe just a little bit more. No real measurement. Okay, now we just need to put some of this in. Powder agar islam equal amounts ase. So in case you've forgotten, I've got in here chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. Need to add salt to taste, so it just depends on how much you're making. So I'm going to put about this much in. Just a little bit more. Okay, so the last ingredient I need to put in here is coriander. এখন ধনিয়া পাতা দিতাম কারণ আমার গরো ফ্রেশ ধনিয়া নাই এখন, so কোনো মেজারমেন্ট নাই, আপনারা যখন ভালো লাগে দিতে পারবা। সব ingredients দিলাইছি, আমি খালি মিক্স করতাম, so we just need to mix it up really well. Make sure your hands are really clean. Add a bit more corn flour. I'm going to add this corn flour. A bit more. So when you're making these, try to make sort of like a smallish size. You don't want them to be too big, because if you make them too big, they might break. So beshi boro banai na jano. Amra chesta korbo shopti motamoti ek size er hoyto. We're going to try and keep them all to more or less the same size. These are what I've made so far. Oven banaisi, pakoi geche to. And এখন the egg white ডিমর সাদা part just এমনি ভালো করে whisk করতে হইব। Just need to break it up. That will do. Okay, so we just need to dip the tuna kebabs in the egg white like that, both sides, and then